What's up, you guys? My name is Ryan, and today I'll be teaching you how to throw boomerangs. There's not really a prerequisite that you need for this move. You just need to be comfortable in throwing it, having it follow through your fingers, and then hoping it comes back. So whenever you are prepping your Flowstar for your boomerang, you want to have it in this position right here where it's kind of flat. I like to tuck my index finger underneath the Flowstar so it's easier for it to follow through my fingers whenever I throw. A couple tips that you are going to want to have: you're not going to want to throw straight in front of you. You kind of want to throw more at a 45-degree slant where it can go up and then come back to you, rather than you throwing it just straight and it will never return. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this, please like and subscribe, and then we'll see you at the next one.